Hello, hi friends. In today's video, I will be doing a quick review and unboxing of PockeLite F7 kit from Falcon. Let's not waste time and let's get started. Friends, PockeLite F7 from Falcon features a robust and a pocket size on camera RGBW LED light with a 12-volt equivalent output. The design magnetic on the top and bottom, the F7 can magnetically be attached to the most metals or additional units for multi-light array. The kit also includes mounting accessories, a diffuser, a grid, soft pocket case, few camera mounting accessories, and a charging cable. The slim and compact light features an all-metal housing and offers a 2500 to 9000 Kelvin adjustable color temperature with a high CRI of 97. It delivers a brightness of 5230 lux for up to 1 meter. It also has a 0 to 100% stepless brightness dimmer and a collection of built-in effects such as siren and lightning and many more. The light operates for up to 110 minutes at a maximum brightness on a built-in battery. The battery is rechargeable via the USB Type-C port using an included cable. The light also supports QC 3.0 fast charging protocol over the USB Type-C port. An OLED screen on the rear confirms all the selected settings as well as the remaining battery life. Although the downside is it does not support mobile app controls. For the price less than $100, I strongly recommend this light. Please let us know your opinions in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our iTech channel. For more tech videos, stay safe and thank you for watching iTech.